Now, in continuation with the previous stage, we can move to the stage number 2, that is stage number 2, okay, where the body axis is inclined homogeneously 60 degree with the HP with the horizontal plane. Keep in mind that when body axis is perpendicular to HP, initially its first inclination should be with HP only. Should be with HP only. Now, we have some assumption in the next stage that if it is given the body axis inclination is 60 degree, then initially we should consider this inclination at some point, so at some distance here is 90 degree minus body axis that is 90 degree minus 60 degree, 90 degree minus 60 degree, 90 degree minus 60 degree, okay, that inclination will be equal to how much? 30 degree. So 30 degree inclination we should consider here, and we should start to draw a construction line like this at an inclination of how much degree? 30 degree. That is, how much is theta? Is 90 degree minus 60 degree, that is body axis inclination, and this is called the base inclination. Base inclination, okay. It is easy to construct the next stage, so I will convert here the 90 degree minus 60 degree, that is 90 degree minus 60 degree is body axis inclination, it is 30 degree, okay. Now how could we draw the next projection? I mean, I have been tilted this base A dash, D dash and B dash, C dash, okay. That means I have to move this solid such that this base inclination should be equal to 30 degree, obviously 90 degree minus body axis. So this front we are going to tilt by angle how much degree? 30 degree with the base, 30 degree with the base. Now we have to redraw as it is this front view. This front view is like this only. So how could we draw that front view? Means we have to reconstruct this rectangle here with respect to BC, with respect to B dash, C dash, with respect to B dash, C dash, okay. Now I will take this position, initial position at here, so I can have a space for the next stage. So this is the 30 degree inclination, okay, 30 degree inclination. Later on, what I will do, I will mark this B dash, D dash point, B dash, C dash distance, right from here to here as B dash, C dash to the B dash. This is A dash, B dash, okay, this is the next corner. Later on what we have to do, we have to draw this vertical line. As we know that this horizontal and vertical line makes a 90 degree inclination, so have a 90 degree inclination like this, 90 degree inclination like this, okay. So as we have this 90 degree inclination, we will have a vertical inclined line like this. Take this much distance compass, mark like this, mark like this. So you will get the same front view, in the new position, So as we already showed, this is B dash, C dash, this is A dash and B dash, okay. And later on, this point will be 2 dash, 3 dash, and this point will be 1 dash, 4 dash. So this is front view as it is. This midpoint is O dash and P dash. So this point O dash and this point is P dash. So we can join by the center line like this. Correct. After this, we have to draw its projection in downward direction. Like this. I mean from 2 dash, 3 dash in downward direction, 4 dash downward direction, 4 dash and 1 dash in downward direction, B dash, C dash in downward direction, P dash in downward direction, A dash and D dash in downward direction. Later on, we have to draw the horizontal projections line like this, horizontal projection line like this. What I did, I have drawn this projection in downward direction like this, downward direction like this. So the shape you will get that will be top view 1. Let's clarify it as top view 1 because 2 dash, when we drop it is in downward direction, just map it by the front top view points. I mean 2 and 2 dash is intersecting here. That is, this is point 2. We should number it as 2 1. We should number it as this point is 3 and 3 dash intersecting here is 3 1 1 1 and 1 dash is intersecting here is 1 1. Then next is 4 and 4 dash is intersecting is 4 1. Then next is this point is A and A dash is intersecting here is A1. This will be B1 because B and B dash is intersecting here is B1. C and C dash is intersecting here at C1 and this point is B and D dash. This is B dash and this point is B. So intersecting somewhere here is B1. Now we haven't get all the corner points in a top one. Why we should show it is by like this? Because when the square prism and looking from the top in this position, we can observe this top is visible. We can observe this top is visible. So we have to make this top points. Which are the top corner points? Top corner points, that is 1 A dash, 4 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4. This top should be visible. Later on, when looking from the top side, this edge and this edge and this. So 1, 2 and 3. These 3 edges will be visible. So what we will do, we will make this edge is visible. We can make this edge is visible. That means 4 dash, D dash, A dash, 1 dash and A dash. So 1 dash and A dash will be visible. So 4 and D, 1 and A I have made it by visible, and later on this edge. Later on this edge is visible. So rest of the edges means BC will be dotted line, like this. The top view one will be look like this, correct? Then we will move to the next page. That how to we draw when body axis is inclined how much degree? 45 degree with the VP with the vertical plane. As you know that inclination with VP is opposite to VP. This is vertical plane. Opposite to the vertical plane is this inclination. We should keep. This is horizontal plane, so your inclination will be 30 degree in this direction. So this is 45 degree. So what we will do, we will draw the projection construction line like this. And later on, what we have to do, we have to redraw this top one as it is here. Why we should redraw this top here? Because initially solid like this. Later on, it is inclined like this. Then this body axis is inclined like this in a next stage. So how could we draw this inclination, or how could we draw this solid view here? How could we draw this? Means body axis is O dash, because when we extend in downward direction, when we draw a horizontal line, we will get some intersection point here. This is P1, this is O1. Now we should keep this O1 and P1 here. So this is point initially P1 and this is O1. So you should take this medicine compass, and mark like this. Later on we have to redraw all the corner points. How could we get this point? When we can draw this much distance in compass, or we can take this much distance in compass, mark like this. Okay, draw a perpendicular line. We can take this much distance in compass, mark like this. Draw a perpendicular line. You can take this much distance in compass, hit here, mark like this. This much distance in compass, mark like this. Okay, mark like this. That means perpendicular lines like this. Why? I should draw this perpendicular line to fix the position of this D1, A1, C1 and जो भी हमने whatever we drawn this perpendicular line, so we have to fix this point C1 B1. So on this we can take this B1 here, we can take this B1 point here, D1 point here, this is point D1. On the other side this is A1. So keep this is marked here is A1. This is point A1. Then from this point you should take C1 distance, correct? On the other side you can take B1 distance, so this is B1. Same case, the perpendicular line, this is 4-1, this is 4-1 distance. On other side you can take 1-1 distance, this is 1-1 distance. On this line, obviously we have been fixed this distances already. So on this perpendicular line we can mark here 3 and 2. So this is point 3, this is point 3, and this is point 2. So we can redraw it is like this as it is that we already drawn in top view. So this is bold line, this is bold line, this is bold line, and this all corners should be the bold lines. Later on, we have to extend this projection in upward direction. How could we extend it in upward direction? That means we should extend this as an upward direction like this, like this. Like this, like this, like this. From each and every corner in upward direction. Then from each and every corner of the front view in this direction, like this. From A dash B dash in horizontal line direction. From this BC there will be the common line on reference line like this. Now we have to map the points in top view and front view, means A1 and A dash. So A1 and A dash is intersecting at here. So this is A1 dash. B1 and B dash is intersecting somewhere here, is B1 dash. Then point B1 and B dash is intersecting somewhere here. This and this is here, that is B1 dash. Point C1 and C dash is intersecting somewhere here, is C1 dash. 4 and 4 dash is intersecting somewhere here as 4-1 dash. Then this is number 1, number 2, number 3. So point 3 and 3 dash is intersecting somewhere here, is 3-1 dash. 2 and 2 dash is intersecting, extend like this, we will get the position here to 1 dash. Then 1-1 and 1 dash is intersecting. When we extend this projection upward direction, we will get some point somewhere here, is 1-1 dash. Now how could we complete the view? That means this solid has been tilted like this. Why we could say that this solid is tilted like this? Because the top numbers are visible, so this top is really visible instead of base, correct? So what we should do when looking from the front side, initially we have to keep like this, later on like this, and body axis is inclined to VP like this, so top will be looking first. So you could make this is visible, later on this edge is vertical, front vertical edges, that means it is 2, 1 and 3, 2, 1 and 3, this edges will be visible. So this 1, then 2B and 3C okay. So this edges are visible. Corresponding edges means base edges that is 1B, and this BC is visible. Okay, and remaining corners remaining edges are dotted, so we need not to show that dot edges or hidden edges. We have to show only this visible edges, and we will keep like this. This top is visible, and this is number 2, number 1, and number 3 are visible. So this is your last front view 1. Next view is front view 1. Thank you.